There is an even simpler way to find your language, your source language for Google Translate in Google Sheets. Like I mentioned in my last video about Google Translate, there is multiple ways to simplify the Google Translate function. So today we're going to use another function to make it simpler. So the function is called DETECTLANGUAGE, and like always I have prepared a little table with hello in a few different languages and also translate to English, so we see it's really hello for everyone. Now we're going to look at the DETECTLANGUAGE function. And this function is very simple. So you just have to enter the text language and then the text right into the formula, right into the function, or a cell. It doesn't matter. So we'll just take this. And that's also a way how you get your 2-letter shortcuts or your language you can use later in Google Translate. So we just press enter and we get to see that hola is from Spanish. And now when we want to use that, well, let's just for the moment copy that down. So we get Japanese, German. And now we want to use that to go to another language. So we use Google Translate. If you need a refreshment on Google Translate, I will link the last video somewhere up here. Then we are just going to take that. And the source language, we are going to take this. So basically, you can also enter it into the function directly, but I will just use the cell first and then we will continue with that. And then we can just say we want to use the language I'm going to put in here. And then we can just press enter. And I want to have Italian. So now we have the Italian. And if I can do the same, actually, I will just copy it down. So it works with everyone from them. So I now want to have this. It's a German phrase in Italian. So it's auto-detect, it's just translating it, and I can also just enter, how are you? I just pressed the wrong key. And there it's the same. So it automatically detects the language and you can work with that. You can also put the detect language in here. So you can just detect language and just take that. And you have it in here and you can delete that and it doesn't matter. So you have everything in one function. That's quite easy. So you can also copy it down here and delete that and it works. And now I can just go back to hello or hello and it works. That's everything for detect language, and now you can see if there is a video up in the corner where you can check out the next video.